Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Toyota AYGO. So here we go. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is switched on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. I doubt very much whether you'll have as many things paired to your phone as I have, but over to the system, click the button there. You can either go to Setup, into Bluetooth, Add, searching for the device below using your telephone, so Car Multimedia, that's it. Click on Car Multimedia. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Now it may ask you to put a code in, and I think the code on this is 4 noughts. But you see there, if I go up to the top, Car Multimedia connected, it did say it was paired for audio and for telephones. You may need to operate your device to allow messaging access. Wait for device. Yeah, I'm just going to skip that. But you see there, connected to telephone and audio player, and then we'll just click OK. That's it, that's how you pair a mobile.